If you could get $1,000 Chapard sunglasses for 200, would you? Well, I was just introduced to Jama Shop, which is extremely dangerous as you can get designer sunglasses, watches, and so much more at 70 to 90% off. And I waited to talk about them until I actually got 3 pairs of sunglasses as I wanted to make sure it was legit. And these are legit Chapard sunglasses that are gorgeous and something I would never ever consider buying for myself at full price. They even come with their certificate of authentication. They are amazing. I mean, look at these. Look at the details on the tops, on the sides, and this is just one of so many styles to choose from. Jama Shop also has fantastic Ray-Bans and Calvin Kleins and more well-named brands. I got these for under 30 bucks and they are exactly what I want for a day at the beach. Perfect, clean Calvin Kleins. And then finally, I didn't even know Rag & Bone made sunglasses, so I had to give them a try. I got these at 70% off as well. Really clean, sleek glasses. I love them. I love all of them. Definitely check out my link as these are legit brands at insane discounts.